Ideally, you want to find a space in your wherever you're living, whatever your living situation is, your house, your apartment, wherever you are. You want to ideally find a space where there is minimal day-to-day, everyday movement. And if you don't have it, then well, you don't have it, and that's fine. But if you do, then finding a space, a corner where there is not a usually there is not much day-to-day movement, and if that corner can be your meditation spot, like every day or whenever you meditate, that's where you meditate. So having one space in your household that becomes dedicated towards your meditation practice, that would be very helpful in terms of where to meditate. Again, if all of these terms and conditions cannot be met, if you can't have one single space, let's say you travel a lot for work, let's say you're in a hostel kind of accommodation, whatever, right? If any and all of those things are there, then it doesn't matter where you meditate, just as long as you meditate. And if you do have a consistent living space and you can create a corner that you come back to every time you want to meditate, then do that, because having having a dedicated space changes the energy of the space. And if you have the privilege to have such a space for yourself, try it out. Try dedicating that space just for meditation, inner work, spiritual work. And every day or whenever you do engage in it, you come back to that space and that's all you do in that space. And you'll see in a few weeks time, a few months time, you'll see the energy shift in that space. And depending on how your being shifts along with it, you'll start sensing and feeling shift across your house, across your living space.